Good to Go segment is made possible by Spectrum Health Medical Group.
I know St. Patrick's Day seems far off, but it is not too early to start planning for 2020. For over 35 years, Spectrum Health's Irish Jig 5K has been synonymous with St. Patty's Day in Grand Rapids. Spectrum Health has been a leader for advocating for colorectal cancer awareness and regular screenings. This upcoming year marks the 37th annual Irish Jig 5K race. It'll be held on Saturday, March 21st at East Grand Rapids High School. Kelsey Haynes is Irish Jig race director, here to talk about what we can expect at next year's race. And it's good to have you here.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
It is, I mean, I can't believe we're already talking about March, but now's the time because a lot of people start training sort of for that 5K season.
Yes.
So it's important to get this on their race dockets. But the messaging behind it, the colorectal cancer awareness piece of it, it's really critical to the why that you do this run.
Yes, so all of our net proceeds go to colorectal cancer treatment, prevention, and diagnostic services here locally. So all local people who might not otherwise be able to afford those services. And so it is very important for us for the Irish Jig relation being colorectal cancer is the second leading cause of death among men and women in the United States. It's one of those that you don't really see the signs and symptoms until later into the disease. So that preventative efforts are really important.
And so enter the Irish Jig 37 years ago.
37 years.
That's amazing because it's tough to keep something like this going year after year.
Yeah.
People have, like we said, put it on their run schedule, I guess.
Yeah. I mean, for a lot of people, it's the first race they ever did. You know, it's been going on for so long. We see people coming back. We see years and years ago from our mock turtlenecks coming into the race, and people telling me, I ran this race when I was a kid, and now that they've graduated from college and they keep coming back from the costumes. It's kind of that unofficial start to the running season for people, and it's one of the largest races in West Michigan.
Yeah. So tell me a bit more about the event itself.
Yeah. So where it's on March 21st this year, as you mentioned, we have a lot of fun things. So we want everybody from the elite athlete out there to get their personal best to the first person, like they just started running and,
Yes.
or walking. So we have a whole component, a track that is for walking as well.
Nice.
So anybody who wants to come out, from making it a family affair to personal best, it's really for everybody in the community.
So there are some fun aspects to the run. You want people to come in costume.
Yes, we do. So we encourage it. We encourage people if they'd like to dress up, St. Patty's Day theme, otherwise, we actually have a costume contest that we do. You can see some of the pictures there on the TV, but we do that every year, and then the winner of the costume contest gets a free race entry for next year.
Very nice. And you get a very nice shirt, right, if you enter?
Yep, long sleeve. So a long sleeve dry fit shirt each year we redesign. We'll actually be releasing January 11th this year, the design for the t-shirt. I can give a sneak peek. It's a green shirt this year.
Well, surprise, surprise for St. Patrick's Day. And how many runners do you expect?
So typically anywhere around 4,000, 4,500 is the average amount. We do staggered starts, so we actually stop the moments. We do pace signs. So 10-minute mile, 11-minute mile, etc. So there's waves of people going out, so you're not so crammed. That
big mob scene where, yeah, you feel funny if you're not the fastest runner in the bunch and you kind of, fall out of the group and stuff. So that's very nice. And describe the fundraising aspect of it so people know how they can be helpful in getting involved.
Yes, absolutely. So we have a couple of different components. One, we have kind of like with that team atmosphere where you can actually have people vote or put dollars towards you running. You can actually do a virtual run if somebody really wants to raise dollars for colorectal. We have a fundraising page where you can create your own page and solicit the people to raise funds for colorectal cancer. But also there's an option of you just want to give dollars when you sign up for the run, and knowing that part of your race proceeds go to colorectal cancer prevention and treatment as well.
Well, it's an important cause. It's important to be talking about it, and then of course running on behalf of it. So once again, the 2020 Spectrum Health Irish Jig 5K, Saturday, March 21st. It's at East Grand Rapids High School. You can register online on the Spectrum Health website. And if you've been diagnosed with cancer and would like a consultation or a second opinion, call the number you see there on the screen. We have all this information on our website at 13onyourside.com. It's good to have you here. Thanks so much. And thanks to all of you for watching. We hope you have a great afternoon. See you back here tomorrow.